Alright, on today's adventure, we got the mobile set up, and I guess it's time. This is the welder that I've been working on. Got it powder coated purple, because I like purple. But we are going to do a small job, probably the last one in a while, for Dalton. So let's go. Alright guys, we're on our way over to Dalton's, do a little job. He's got some new landing gear he wants to put on his flatbed trailer, his 48-foot trailer. So I think it's a lot of bolt up, but there's a couple brackets that we need to cut off the old one and then re-weld on the new one, so that's why we're bringing the welder over. But yeah, so we're gonna go over there. I know I haven't been posting a lot lately. You know, life happens. We had Christmas, New Year's. We had got the new puppy. We're trying to train her really well, so you know, been taking up a lot of time. I just went back to work last week, so yeah, it's just, you know, life happens. This YouTube thing I love doing, but it's also a hobby, so there's things that need to get done. There's things that need to get done before I make YouTube videos. I hope you guys understand that. So yeah, it's kind of been on the back burner. I have been working on my truck though. I haven't filmed a lot of it, but I have been working on the lights. I actually have my truck at Dalton's house now because he has a bigger shop and it's just a lot easier to work in his shop. He's got a lot of tools that we need. I have all the tools we need too, but you know, we're mainly why I brought it there is we're doing the lights on the bed, the brake lights, the lights on the headache rack, all the lights I have going down the side. You know, running those wires through the tubes, it gets a little meticulous, and he's just got a lot more room to work. He's got a lot more electrician, auto wiring tools, I guess you call them. So we're actually going to his house first, so maybe I'll give you a sneak peek of what's going on. And I have been filming at his house, so be on the lookout for a video of the welding truck. Be on the lookout for a video of the welding rig a week or two after this video drops. So we'll get it rolling, and then hopefully next weekend, not this coming weekend, next weekend, we can get the welder that I'm towing behind me right now onto the Dodge. My buddy has access to a lull, his dad's shop. He's offered to help me out if I go help him out with his truck. So that'll be fun. And once that's done, my truck will almost be done, but unfortunately, well, not unfortunate for me, I'm going back to work. I've been back to work, but next week I start at a plant out here in New Jersey, and in about 2 weeks after that, it's going to be a shutdown, a turnaround pretty much situation. So I'll be MIA for about 2 months, 6, 7 days a week, 10, 12 hours a day for about 2 months, 2.5 months, maybe 3 months. So that'll leave me a little time to even eat and shower when I get home. So these next couple videos I post might be it for a couple months. Unfortunately, that's just how it works. My main job takes precedent, so I hope you guys stick around. But we're on our way to Dalton's, getting about halfway there. We'll catch you when we get there. All right, here's the disaster of what we've been working on. I got these lights, don't mind that. We got all the lights in on both sides. There's a little sneak peek of the lights I put up there. So yeah, this is what we've been working on over here. You can see he's got a lot more room in here. Got all these lights in. It's gonna look pretty sick. So that's enough of that. We'll catch you guys down at Dalton's yard. Dalton busted out the old 7.3 today. It's a nice truck. All right, let's go down to his yard and let's get rocking and rolling. It's loud.
Yeah.
So
I think I gotta take this apart and clean it.
what, the gun?
Yeah, you ever see that?
No.
All the magnets get dirty, and guys clean them, and they're completely different.
Just send it in for warranty.
Yeah.
So this is what's getting replaced. Landing gear, both sides. Something's wrong with the gear or this. But this is the bracket right here we have to cut off and weld onto the new ones, which are in Dalton's truck. So he's gonna go ahead and unbolt everything. And I'm gonna take them out, cut the brackets off, they'll bolt the new one on, and go from there. What a dump. Here's the service rig. There's the new ones. Oh, those do look the same. Oh, they look a little bigger, don't they? The tubes, I mean?
You get a tape measure.
I was saying these tubes looked a little bigger than the ones on there, but as long as the bolt pattern up there is the same, we can make it work. But this is why Dalton needs a service truck. His yard here, not far from his house, but he can't get his trailers at his house. He can only get his truck without the trailer. So this is unfortunately every time he comes down here to work on the trailers. So he's gonna build a service rig soon, hopefully, with some of the Dodges he's got laying around. All right, what's the verdict?
Maybe a ½ inch.
Okay, all right, ½ inch. Everyone can use a little bit of a ½ inch here and there, but my eyes deceive me a little bit. But we'll get this thing cooking and get her off. Like ease.
I just had this one on.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Put never sees on it?
No.
No never sees. What the hell?
I think we didn't have, we must not have had it down here that day.
Oh. Well, when did we do this? 2 years ago at least. Here's a repair I did for Dalton. This was all cracked up here. This was way before YouTube, but let's see. Nice, thanks for the light. Welded up the inside there. I welded the inside there. Oh yeah, we didn't put never sees on that one. But yeah, it's still holding up, so I must be doing something right here. All right, today we're going to teach Dalton how to cut metal bands with wrenches. You just take them. Like I said, 2 adjustables would be a lot better. 2 channel locks is good. So if you're ever in a bind, you just take them, twist them, and right next to each other, twist them. Need a battery. Yeah, buddy.
Do you want me to go get like a little generator?
I mean, they're already here. Might as well suck all the batteries dry until we got them. We already got all this shit here. We might as well just suck all the batteries dry.
I know, but I won't be able to, I gotta save one to take that leg off.
Yeah.
Shit, we'll be all good.
Honestly, we probably should.
Yeah,
Then this thing will fucking need to break through.
Yeah, because that's taking forever, right?
It's funny fun.
Yeah, then I can actually bring, I can bring my battery charger. Do you have a 18? This over here. This over.
Oh yeah. Little snafu here. Apparently my outlets on my welders decided to stop working. I replaced the one outlet when I put it all back together after I got the panels powder coated, and it's just never ends down here. Something about Dalton's yard here. We never have luck with nothing. So he's running up to get his generator. It still welds. It welds fine, but he's got. We need power for the grinders and stuff. It's always something. It really is always something. But I'm glad I found that out before I put this on the truck. So I'm gonna have to dig into that and figure that out. But now I'm just waiting on him to bring back the generator so we can run some power. And maybe I'll toy around with this and try to figure it out. But yeah, I still need to cut the L off the old one over there, as you guys just saw me cutting with the cordless. So figure it out.
I know that's so much better than 1.6. Let's just make sure these are reactive.
That'll suck in, right?
Yeah, that'll bend this in. I'm not worried about that. And then it's that one, as long as this is like
Pretty good, right? All right.
I'm thinking. You want to just tack this and then do this side? Right?
And I'll weld them in.
While you're tacking, I'm going to undo. Start it.
See if we get a spark.
I'll let you get a tackle.
Stinger's right under your ass. You? Might have to readjust my ground because I don't know if it's good enough. We'll see. Oh, never mind. This is what Dalton's got to deal with down in his yard here. Pretty full. Backing it in. Dalton's a real truck driver, man. He can get this rig anywhere. It's the next day, obviously, but... And he goes over there. Hey, there's my truck. This is a nice rig. If anyone's into big rigs, here it is. 1985 359. Look at him. Look at that swag in there. Oh yeah, he knows. He can't even look at the camera. All right, let's go show you the finished product. Hey, going the wrong way. All right, so it's the next day. You guys obviously saw that it got dark on us quick last night. After running into the problem with my welder, with the outlets not working, Dalton ran down, got his generator, so we were running the grinders off the generator, all that stuff. But here it is, they're on. He stayed a little later and finished up, but all I really did was weld these L brackets on the new ones here. Over here, a couple nice passes right there, one on top. But yeah, that's it. Little quick one, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said throughout the video, working on the truck. Might be a little hiatus, but stay tuned for the next 3 or 4 weeks for truck videos, because they're coming. I'm trying to get that done before I go to that shutdown. So again, thank you guys. If you liked what you saw, subscribe, give me a like, shoot me a comment, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Dalton and I are actually going on a little field trip out to East Jersey. Maybe I'll just at the end of this clip I'll show you where we're going. All right guys, we'll catch you on the next video.